India's 14th Prime Minister, Narendra Damodar Das Modi's rise to power is no ordinary tale. The slogan, Ab Ki Baar Modi Sarkar, swept over the country as the BJP led by Modi scripted a paradigm shift in the Indian politics with a spectacular win in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. A moment that made Modi a national hero. Here's a look at 5 career milestones of Modi, credited to be a political phenomenon without precedent. Born to a family of the low Khanchi caste in Vadnagar, Gujarat, in 1950, Modi's first brush with politics came at the age of 8 when he joined the youth wing of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or RSS. Modi left his home in 1970 to settle down in Ahmedabad after returning from a 3-year journey around India. There, he joined the RSS again. Over time, he made his presence felt in the BJP, which was associated with the RSS, and in 1988 was appointed its General Secretary. In 2001, Modi replaced Keshubhai Patel as the Chief Minister of Gujarat following the Bhuj earthquake. Soon after, the state was rocked by the Godhra riots that claimed thousands of lives. Many alleged the lack of state action during the riots. But Modi's involvement in what transpired remains unproven. With economic growth of Gujarat as his key agenda, Modi won second and third terms as its chief minister. The Gujarat model went on to form the basis of Modi's prime ministerial candidature in 2013.
Parliamentary board of BJP met today and decided that Sri Narendra Modi will be our prime ministerial candidate for the coming Lok Sabha election.
The BJP won the Lok Sabha elections in 2014 with the highest number of seats won by any party since 1984.
Narendra Modi will be India's next Prime Minister.
The BJP has won the India 2014 election. 125 करोड़ के इस देश ने अपना भाग्य उस भाग्य विधाता के नाम कर दिया है जिसे आप नरेंद्र मोदी कहते हैं.
And Modi was sworn in as the country's Prime Minister on May 26, 2014. It was his election, his victory in every sense.
और मैं ये कर्ज चुकाऊंगा आपके सपनों का भारत बना करके कर्ज चुकाऊंगा.
With a mandate to transform India, much is expected from this charismatic leader. How Modi fares on those expectations will determine his legacy.